If you want to set a custom ringtone on iPhone 16e, you will need to use the USB cable and you will need to connect your iPhone to a computer. Whether you have Mac or Windows, it doesn't really matter, as long as you have iTunes on your computer. So then let's connect the iPhone to the computer and we're gonna switch to iTunes now. If you don't have iTunes on Windows, you can get it for free from the Microsoft Store. And once you have your iPhone on iTunes detected, then over here we need to select tones on the left side. And the next thing that is important is that you need to have the audio file of the ringtone in the M4R format. So if you try to use MP3, it won't work. The iPhone will not detect it as a ringtone. Therefore, you need to use some sort of a converter that will create this M4R file for you. You can find it also pretty easily on the internet. Just Google some sort of like MP3 to M4R or something like that if necessary. And what we need to do is simply drag it to the tones list over here. Once we have the ringtone added to the tones list, it's pretty much done. Now we can disconnect the iPhone from the computer. So let's unplug, and after that we can go to settings. Here we need to choose sounds and haptics, go to ringtone, and then here at the top you should be able to find your custom ringtone. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can set up a custom ringtone on iPhone 16e. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!